This is the radio CD player from a mk3 Mondeo facelift version. The facelift version is not the same as standard. Okay, to remove the radio, there's 4 slots here, here, here and here. To get the radio out, you need a radio removal key like this. Okay, when you insert them into the slot, the important thing is the curved side goes towards the inside and the flat side goes to the outside. Now the easiest thing to do is show it out so you can see how it works. As the key goes in, you can see it catching on the side of the clip, and then it clips into place. Once that clip is in place, you can't pull the key back out again. Okay, as you can see, if you apply a little bit of pressure outwards, it forces the clip in and will allow you to remove the radio. There's 4 clips in all. What I found really useful is to put in, once all 4 keys are in, is to put a large Allen key or a screwdriver through the hole in the keys, which allows you effectively a handle to pull the unit out on. Once you've removed the unit, you can then start disassembling it to take out the fascia panel and the CD. I think you just press it and it'll start. Okay, now that we've got the radio out of the car, it consists of 3 basic parts which can be changed independently. So first of all, we need to remove the front fascia panel, and that also removes the clips. There are 4 screws holding it in. You need a size 10 Torx bit for that, and you just need to remove those. One, two, that's 2 on each side. Turn this over, and here are the other 2. Third. And finally the 4th. Now when you take the front panel away, you just have to be a little bit careful with the ribbon cables that connect in. These can be removed quite simply by pulling them side to side, or a pair of tweezers works better. Again, lock it side to side and pull it off, and that then attaches the front fascia panel. Now that we've removed the front panel, if it's just the front panel that's damaged, obviously that can just straight be replaced. The important thing to note is the radio code actually lives in the radio, not the panel. So if you change the radio, you need the new code for it. Okay. Inside here, you can see the radio part and also the hard disk drive. The hard disk drive, similarly, that comes apart, and you need the size 10 Torx again. Again, these are held in and screws at the top. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 4 here at the back. Okay, once those 4 screws are out, we can lift the lid and then we have access. Okay, once we lift the CD player out, we'll push that down there. To release the CD player, again it's held in with a ribbon cable. Now at the back of the header there's a little clamp. If you lift that up, hear that click, that frees up the ribbon cable. The CD player can then be replaced. Again, the code lives with the radio part, not the CD part. To reaffix the ribbon cable, lift the header up again, offer up the ribbon cable, slide it in, there we go, and push it down. It's the same connector on the radio board as it is on the CD, so you can change either of those. Okay, then to reassemble, again it's just to reverse the operation. The CD player back up there, reaffix the lid, reaffix the front panel.